All right, so when you get to this video section, your directions say watch the ecosystem video. You'll be filling in the blanks and answering questions below the video. It would be a good idea to take notes while you watch the video. So I'm going to walk you through briefly on what you should be doing. So before you even start the video, you should scroll down to where the fill in the blanks are. So your instructions are to fill in the blanks with the correct answer from the video. Remember, you can go back to the video to watch certain parts again when needed. The first thing you should do before you watch the video is to go through and read each fill in the blank. Look at some keywords on what you should be listening for as you are watching the video. So maybe you hear that keyword and you say, oh, wait, I know that I have a fill in the blank about this. Let's maybe pause here and go fill in the blank. So the first thing that you have is the first question where it says, in blank is all the things that interact in a specific area, both living and non-living. So you should remember that, okay, we have living and non-living. Interact means that they work together or they come in contact with each other. So as you're listening, think about maybe what word is where or what happens when these things interact. Your second question is, all ecosystems are made of the blank basic parts. Again, as you're listening, listen to when they talk about this, then you'll be able to come back. It may be useful to you as you are listening to the video to have a piece of paper next to you and to be writing down some of these things you should be looking for. That way, while you're watching the video, you can refer to your papers. Maybe write down that living and non-living things interact. Maybe you should write down that non-living means biotic and living means non-living is abiotic and living is biotic. Have those two things written down next to you, so when you come to them in the video, it'll register that, oh wait, I have something I need to fill in the blanks for. And go through the rest of these as you come down. Now, when you pause or when you're done with the video, however you work best to answer these questions or to fill in these blanks, you're going to come and you're just going to click in the open space. When you click in the open space, you'll be able to type right into the blank. When you want to go to the next one, your answer will stay there, and then you will just type again, and so on and so forth for the rest of the blanks. That is what you're going to do for the video part, and then you're going to move on to the two typing parts down here. Now it says list 2 ways that an ecosystem can be harmed. Explain how the ecosystem is being harmed by this. So think of 2 ways that something can happen to an ecosystem and harm it, and explain how the ecosystem is being harmed. Then the question below is asking you, okay, these ecosystems are just harmed. How can they be fixed? What are 2 ways that an ecosystem can be fixed after whatever you mentioned above up here has harmed it? How will these 2 things fix the ecosystem?